Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and this is a quick update for those that have noticed there is a update to Google Chrome web browser. Nothing really important. If it works well for you, it will update by itself anyways. It's not a security update. There's no security flaws in this fix, but they did fix a few little bugs. Some people were reporting some problems with Google Chrome. So these are really just bug fixes within Google Chrome browser. So to know if you have the latest update or if you have some problems or have been having some issues with Chrome, what you could do is simply go to the upper right corner, three vertical dots, help, about Google Chrome, and it will update itself to 91.0.4472.106. So like I said, it's not anything related to security. That was done a few days ago when we moved to version ending with .101. If you have no problems, you don't have to go and check if you have the latest version for now. It doesn't really matter. If you do have some issues, well, maybe it's worth it to go and check out and see if maybe this fixes one of the problems that you have. One of them reported was crash. Some people were having crashes of Chrome, apparently. I've had really no problem with Chrome when I use it, although I don't use it that much. So it could have some of the bugs, but I just didn't notice. But like I said, nothing security, so nothing urgent. Google Chrome has updated. Today, we are Tuesday, June 15th, 2021, and hope that you enjoy our videos. If you do, please subscribe. Give us thumbs up, and thanks for watching.